Hi everyone. In this video series, we will learn about Python programming language, and this is the first tutorial series. Here we will learn about what is Python, history of Python, where to use Python. So let's get started. See, this is the computer. This is the computer and this is the user. This is like you and me. What is computer? Computer is an electronic and programmable device or computation device. These computers are not self-operate. That means someone needs to give instruction to operate the computer. So computer cannot operate itself. Someone needs to give instruction to computer so that it can start operating. So those who give instruction, they are called programmers or developers. So this is the programmer and he gives instruction to the computer and then the computer starts performing the tasks. So programmer or developer will give instruction to computer and these group of instructions are called program. Now what is Python? Python is a programming language often used to build website and different types of software and applications. It is very beginner friendly, easy to understand and easy to maintain. Now some history of Python. Python was created by Rosham in early 1990s. The first 1.0 version of Python was released on 1994. Again, 2.0 version of Python was released on October 2000. And the third version of Python, 3.0 version of Python was released on December 2008. And this is the current version. Now, where to use Python? Python is used as backend web development, data analysis, building AI and scientific computing. It also used for creating games, software application for desktop and mobile applications. It also creates GUI or graphical interface. So hope you have understood the basic of Python, why we need a Python. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe so that you can get update videos of Python.